How to e-sign your contracts using XLeads. What is up, guys? Zach in here, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to go inside of Ninja Mode and virtually get a contract signed, or how to e-sign with Ninja Mode absolutely for free. Now, obviously you need XLeads if you wanna do e-signing, but it is all included within XLeads. I believe, and tell me if I'm wrong in the comments, XLeads is the only software that you can get real estate leads, skip tracing, and all these things, but it's got everything, but it has e-signing included for free. There's really no other software like this, and to e-sign, it's 20, 30, 40 bucks a month everywhere else. So this is an amazing thing that XLeads has, and it's all through the power of Ninja Mode. So let's go inside of Ninja Mode here, and let me just show you exactly how to e-sign. It's gonna be a quick video because it's pretty simple, but all you have to do is go here to your Ninja Mode, and if you just sign up for XLeads, within 24 hours, you will get your email access. If you are currently watching this and you haven't gotten your email access, it's been over 24 hours from a business. So if you sign up on a Friday evening, you'll probably get it Monday evening, right? You need to email billing@xleads.com and we'll help you out right there and give you your access. But let's go to payments here. And this is exactly what we're gonna do. So we're on the payments tab here. And what we're gonna do is go to documents and contracts. So click that. And what we're gonna see is our documents and contracts. Now, I don't want to be on an ADHD rant here, but you are going to need to have your contacts in the CRM here. And so as we know, we can import contacts. If we have a lead, we put it in the lead in the CRM here, right? This is Ninja Mode. But just want to make it a very important thing that these leads won't be connected at all with the contracts unless you have the lead in there. So if you want to add a lead, you can always just press the plus and add a contact in there and put the information. But going back to payments here, we're going to go to documents and contracts. And we're gonna press new and just get a new contract. So we're gonna upload a PDF. What we can do is upload a PDF here. And let's upload our PDF here. All right, we're gonna click upload and we are uploading our PDF. So let's add this in. So what we need to do here before we get the contracts actually put out there to sign, right? We're gonna have to go here to recipients and add our recipients. So our recipients are gonna be under here. So all we have to do is out of all of the leads that we have, we can search. Let's say our seller's name is Thomas. So let's do Thomas Buyers right here. Let's do Rick Ginn right here as one of the people. And let's add another one. Let's add a new client. So maybe we can do like Zachary G, right? We'll put me Zach at XLeads.com and we'll just save me there. So let's say Rick is the buyer and I am the seller, right? Okay, we got the recipients done. So press plus, get a signature. So let's say I am the seller. So I'll put myself here and this is gonna be signed by Zachary Ginn. So pretty simple. And now what we're gonna do here on the Rick side is we're gonna press plus here. We're gonna press signature on this end right here. And he is gonna be set to sign. Then what we're gonna do is just click send and it's gonna send via email or via link. The link kind of looks like this. So we can just generate a really awesome link inside of XLeads. And it's gonna be sendlink.co. So if I go to that tab, it's gonna look like this. And it's gonna be like, well, sign right here. So you click start filling out and boom. It's just like any type of e-signing service, except it's completely free and it's really good. Now you wanna see what the email looks like. It looks like this. So all we had to do here was open the email and it's a document for your name, right? For Zach Ginn. Hi, Rick Ginn sent you a document, click here and boom, you're gonna view it and it will send you the contract. And this is just another contract to put in for an example. Press finish and get it signed. That is the power, guys, of using Ninja Mode for e-signing for virtual wholesaling. A lot of people always get worried about like how to do the e-signing. They don't wanna spend the 20, 30 bucks on top of the wholesaling software and all these things. This is the power of XLeads. You don't have to deal with any of these softwares. You don't have to deal with all this other extra stuff. It's one software for everything. XLeads, all the way from locking up the deal, getting the data, to getting it sold, XLeads has everything. Guys, if you want to check this out and get this included with any basic plan or even up to the X plan, just go to xleads.com and we'll see you soon. This is Zach Ginn signing out. I'm the founders of XLeads. Have a blessed one. Thanks, guys.